A large Ethereum holder, identified by the anonymous address 0xb4d3, sold 20,000 ETH over the past hour, according to on-chain analytics firm LookinChain. The transaction was valued at approximately $41.18 million, with an average price of $2,059 per ETH. The sale was executed at a time when Ethereum was trading near the lower end of its recent range, around $2,000 to $2,200. This move is notable because whale transactions are closely monitored by market participants for potential shifts in sentiment or liquidity. The Ethereum Whale sale was reported by LookinChain, a platform that tracks large cryptocurrency movements. The wallet address 0xb4d3 has been active in the Ethereum market, and this sale represents a significant reduction in its holdings. The transaction was executed in a relatively short time frame, suggesting a deliberate exit strategy rather than a gradual distribution. This deliberate timing and volume could signal a change in the whale's sentiment toward Ethereum's current market conditions. Whale transactions like this one can create temporary downward pressure on an asset's price, especially if the market lacks sufficient buy-side liquidity. Ethereum has been trading in a range between $2,000 and $2,200 over the past week, and this sale occurred near the lower end of that range. Analysts point out that, while a single whale sale does not necessarily indicate, most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. A broader market trend, it can influence short-term price action. The timing of the sale is also notable, as Ethereum faces upcoming network upgrades and regulatory developments that could affect its price trajectory. For retail investors, large transactions like this serve as a reminder of the influence that major holders have on the market. While the sale itself is not a cause for immediate panic, it does highlight the potential for volatility in the near term. Ethereum's price can be sensitive to large movements, particularly when they occur in a concentrated time frame and at a price level that could trigger additional selling pressure. The Ethereum Whale sale is being analyzed for its potential implications on market sentiment. Whale transactions are often seen as leading indicators, and this one could be interpreted as a signal of caution or a strategic reallocation of capital. However, it's important to note that whale activity does not always translate into broader market trends. Other factors, such as macroeconomic conditions and regulatory news, can also influence Ethereum's price. The sale occurred at a time when Ethereum is preparing for upcoming network upgrades, which could bring additional volatility. Investors are watching closely to see whether this whale sale is an isolated event or part of a broader trend of large holders reducing their exposure to Ethereum. The market's reaction to this sale will be an important signal for the next few days. Analysts are also looking at the broader context of Ethereum's price movements and market conditions. While the whale sale is a significant event, it should be considered alongside other market indicators such as trading volume, order book depth, and overall market sentiment. The Ethereum market is still relatively small compared to traditional financial markets, so large transactions can have a more pronounced effect on price. The next signal to watch is whether this whale sale triggers additional selling pressure from other large holders or institutional investors. If more whales begin to, most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Reduce their Ethereum holdings, it could signal a broader shift in market sentiment. Investors should also monitor Ethereum's price action in the coming days to see whether it can hold its current range or if it faces further downward pressure. In summary, the Ethereum Whale sale is a significant event that could signal a shift in market sentiment. While it does not necessarily indicate a broader market trend, it does highlight the potential for volatility in the near term. Investors should monitor the market's reaction to this sale and look for additional signals that could indicate whether Ethereum is entering a period of consolidation or a new price direction.